running, you gotta have your foot up.
You need a helmet on her. You know, one of those little helmets.
She's gonna jack herself up. She won't keep her feet up.
Come here, Kenzie.
Push it.
Push it.
Her feet up.
Kenzie!
I'm done.
Oh!
Get up!
Dismount.
She knows all this.
Now there's a motorcycle race going on over here in Glen Helen.
Kenzie! She's a
Scares her. She puts her feet
Look
up.
at her. She sees herself in the mirror. In the window.
looking at herself. You're gonna run into the wall!
She alright?
She's gonna have to wear shoes because she's gonna drag her feet.
I